suing for age discrimination? Is this your way of sandbagging me?
Yes.